If your Google Pixel Watch 3 is vibrating randomly, several factors could be causing this, and here are some common reasons. So first of all, random vibrations might be caused by silent or unnoticed notifications, such as app updates, low priority notifications, or for example, the background activity like synchronizing data from your watch to your smartphone. Another one, it will be definitely all of this, gesture controls. So if we enable tilt to wake, or for example, this kind of the wrist gestures, if this is actually turned on, our watch might vibrate when it detects wrist movement or gestures. We get also ongoing background activity. So some apps, particularly fitness tracking or for example the health monitoring apps, can vibrate for updates or alerts, such as this reminder when we have to move, like after 1 hours when we are sitting. We get also for sure the app misbehavior. So a third-party app, if you are downloading something, may be misbehaving, causing vibrations and unexpected times. And there's also all of this haptic feedback for actions, such for example like touching the screen or adjusting the settings. Like if I'm gonna move my crowd control, I can feel vibrations because this is the function that is actually enabled as default on this watch. We get also the Google Assistant. So if the Google Assistant is set to the listen for the Hey Google hot word, it might vibrate when it detects something resembling command. And also we've got the battery related alerts. Like, the Pixel Watch 3 may vibrate if it's running low on the battery or there's some kind of the charging issue. And yeah, that will be basically it. This is like the common issue with this vibrations, random vibrations on the Pixel Watch 3.